So it's time to get a new truck. The Q136.
I don't like that idea.
What?
But,
What? You getting?
Bobby Matt was traveling at night.
Yeah, after this train's passing me now. After this train, I'm gonna go straight home because I'll show you after this train pass. I'll show you that one spot because
Well, on the front right, you hit a deer for that one too, right?
oh yeah, that's what caused the airbag to pop.
Well, yeah, for tonight, yes. But there was damage to the front right.
Yeah, so it's I'm gonna go. Good.
That was a deer also, right?
Yeah, that one wasn't too bad, but this one's more boom. So thankfully,
Right.
yeah, thankfully I was looking too, but at the same time, like, no, I didn't make it. Damn it, I didn't make it in time. So I should have stayed at local, like went off road or G-Bug. I knew I had a gut feeling something was going to happen.
Could have, but didn't.
Yeah. Should have, would have, but didn't.
Alright, well, I don't know what to tell you, Phil.
Yeah, it's probably time to get a new truck anyway. So I don't want to get it right away, but I think it's time. So I probably talk to Mike, and that's why I let you know. So I got to work till.
Alright,
So I'm not thrilled about it.
I'm not crazy about you driving.
I'm gonna go nice and slow. I mean slow.
Well, I really wish you'd call the police first. Say, because, that's like leaving the scene of an accident.
Oh, yeah.
They may tell you to go ahead and drive it home,
Yeah.
but if you call them first, say, hey, I had an accident.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll call them, let them know. Go from
Yeah,
there.
and let them tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, stud. Yeah, I was surprised you're awake right now, so I was freaking.
Actually, I just woke up to go to the bathroom.
Alright. I'll let you do what you gotta do.
Yeah, well, like I said, you may want to call the police first.
Yeah, I will.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm at Dickinson Station. I can see right now.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, this Q136.
And that's an intermodal?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'll let the police know, and if I can drive home.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, I'm not thinking get a new truck right now because I was probably waiting for like another month or so. But yeah.
At least they got to go out shopping together.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll talk to you later.
Alright, stud. I love you, and I'll let you know probably in the morning.
Alright. See you later. Bye.
Alright, stud. I love you. Fuck. Yep, I'm not happy. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, let me call them. Let them know. Yeah. There it goes.
Montgomery County 911. What's the address of the emergency?
Hi, how you doing? Well, it's kind of half and half. I'm at Dickinson train station. Don't know exactly the address is, but I was at Dickinson train station.
You're at Dickerson train station?
Yes, ma'am. And I have a little oopsie with a whitetail deal.
Okay, what happened, sir?
I was driving down, I can't think of the name of the road, but I was on my way to Point of Walk Station to do some well fanning, and so whitetail didn't get out of the way in time, and I got the air brake deployed, and front half is kind of, oopsie, need help.
So you hit a deer?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to know where you're at.
Right now, I am at Dickinson train station right now.
Okay, are you in front of the train station?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm looking at the station when the train's going by right now.
What's the phone number that you're calling from, sir?
Mine is, hang on, I'm getting to it. 201 370 2455.
And what's your first name, sir?
Mine is Philip. Phillip.
What's your last name?
Lee, Lee.
And you said your airbag is deployed, so you need a tow truck?
I don't know if I need it. That's why I need some help so I can figure out if I need it or not.
Is the deer still alive?
I have no idea.
Okay. Give me just a second to get somebody out to you.
Okay. Yeah, I'll wait here at the train station in Dickinson Station. I'll wait for it.
Okay, stay on the line. I have a few questions to ask you, okay?
Okay.
Do you need an ambulance or just a police officer?
That's the police officer. It's fine. I'm just kind of, a little nervous.
Okay, when did this happen? How many minutes ago?
I say about roughly 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago?
Yeah, give or take.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous right now, so like I was like, I don't know what to do.
Okay, is there anything blocking or slowing the flow of traffic?
No.
Okay. I need to get your vehicle description. What color is it?
It's a silver Dodge Ram 1500.
What's your tag number?
I don't know offhand.
That's okay.
I'm inside my truck right now, and I'm in the parking lot.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in the parking lot of the Dickinson train station now.
Okay, you're in the parking lot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you're not in front of the train station, you're in the parking lot?
Yes, ma'am.